Hello everyone, today we would be discussing daily MCQs of July 31st, 2018. And apart from watching this video, you can visit the www.anujjindal.in where you can attempt the daily current affairs quiz and read the daily current affairs available. You can also download the PDF which are available on the website. Now let's begin with the first question. The first question is, which of the following has decided to restrict use of toluene in printing of packaging materials used for food products? Don't get confused with Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, because the answer for this question is Bureau of Indian Standards. So Bureau of Indian Standards decided to restrict the use of mainly three chemicals, which are toluene, titanium acetylestonate and phthates. Why has BIS restricted the use of these chemicals? Let's look at this toluene. So toluene is a chemical used in paint thinners and is known to migrate between the layers of the packaging and could potentially cause damage to liver and kidneys. What about this phthates? So phthates are binding agents used in the adhesive soaps and shampoos. Thus again harmful for the health of human beings. Therefore, BIS has decided to restrict the use of these chemicals in printing. Central Road and Infrastructure Fund has been taken away from the Ministry of Road Transport, Highways and brought under the domain of. First of all, this Central Road Infrastructure Fund is the fund which has been renamed from the Central Road Fund. So the Budget 2018 amended the Central Road Fund Act 2000 and renamed the Central Road Fund to Central Road and Infrastructure Fund. Now this Central Road and Infrastructure Fund has been taken away from the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways and brought under the domain of Ministry of Finance. This would be particularly under the Department of Economic Affairs. So three questions could be framed from this question. First of all, the renaming of the Central Road Fund to Central Road and Infrastructure Fund. Second being, under which ministry was Central Road and Infrastructure Fund earlier before bringing under the domain of Ministry of Finance. And the third question itself, that Central Road and Infrastructure Fund has been brought under the domain of which department, which is the Department of Economic Affairs. Now, what is the objective behind this amendment? So, the objective was to use the proceeds of the road cess under this Central Road and Infrastructure Fund to finance other infrastructure projects such as waterways and some portion of the railways infrastructure and even social infrastructure. Therefore, the step has been taken. Swellic Energy Systems Limited has partnered with US-based Zero Mass Water to unveil a solar hydro panel named. So, what is the name of the solar hydro panel which has been unveiled by Swellic Energy Systems Limited? The name is Source. So, what is under this panel? Under this panel, they would provide pure drinking water using sunlight and air. The price per panel will be 2 lakh and it will generate approximately 5 liters of water per day, depending upon the humidity and the sunlight. This is a very easy question. The Supreme Court is seeking to scrap NOTA from Rajya Sabha elections. NOTA stands for, none of the above. What is this NOTA? So NOTA indicates the disapproval of all the candidates in a voting system. You can see the option of voter in this picture. So NOTA can be pressed when we do not want to choose among the candidates available. Next question is, how many women farmers have been selected to visit the International Rice Research Institute in Philippines? So 8 women have been selected to visit the International Rice Research Institute in Philippines. Why these women are visiting this institute? So they would learn about the new rice farming techniques as a part of the initiative taken by the Department of Biotechnology, which is under the Science Ministry. And according to the census 2011, 55% of women workers were agricultural laborers and 24% were cultivators. Some stats regarding the women farmers. Next question is choose the incorrect option. So there are options given regarding the Article 371E and we need to choose among the wrong option over here. So here are three confusing options. The Article 371J with respect to special provisions with respect to State of Karnataka. Again Karnataka has been put under this 371G and the Article 371G has been referred to Mizoram. So the wrong answer or the incorrect option under this question is this one, Article 371G, as Article 371G is regarding the special provision with respect to the state of Mizoram. Why is this question being framed? So recently the Goa government is lobbying with the centre to accord special status to Goa on lines with the Mizoram, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh under Article 371, or they want the special status under any other provision of Constitution. Now let's look at the Article 371. So Article 371 is with respect to the states of Maharashtra and Gujarat. Article 371A is with respect to special provisions for Nagaland. B is with respect to Assam. C is with respect to Manipur. D is with respect to Andhra Pradesh. E, as I mentioned here, establishment of Central University in Andhra Pradesh. F with respect to Sikkim, special provisions for Sikkim. G with respect to Mizoram. H with respect to Arunachal Pradesh. J with respect to Karnataka. So these states have been covered under the Article 371. Next question is, which of the following has again attacked the cotton plants in Maharashtra? There are no such bollworms like blue, brown, purple and black. So the answer for this question is pink bollworm. And this pink bollworm is an insect which chews through the cotton lint to feed on the seeds. Since cotton is used for both fiber and seed oil, therefore the damage is twofold. Age-related macular degeneration is related to, so this is a disease and this disease is related to blindness. It is a common medical condition that can lead to blindness in older people. In 2014, Riken, which is a Japanese institute, it carried out the world's first surgery to implant IPS cells. What are these IPS cells? So IPS stands for induced pluripotent stem cells. And these stem cells have the potential to develop into any cell in the body. So this is the first time IPS cells were used for any treatment. Next question is Parkinson disease is related to. So Parkinson disease is a neurological disorder, and why there are two questions related to disease, because there was a particular article regarding this IPS in the newspaper, which stands for, as I mentioned it, induced pluripotent stem cells, and this is the first time when the Japanese scientists have announced that there would be a trial to treat this Parkinson's disease by injecting these stem cells into the brain. And the scientists would inject 5 million IPS cells, which are the induced pluripotent stem cells in the brain. The last question for today is, US has designated India as STA1 country. What does STA stand for? So STA stands for Strategic Trade Authorization, and with this designation, it has eased the export controls on high-tech product sales. Now this has come after US has recognized India as a major defense partner in 2016. What is the special treatment which are given to the STA1 country? So STA1 treatment will expand the scope of exports subject to the Export Administration regulation that can be made to India without individual licenses. Therefore, this is the special treatment given to India under this STA1 designation. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel Anuj Jindal. Like the video and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever the video is being posted on the channel. Come up with the feedback in the comment section below. Join our Facebook, RBI and SBI group, which are named Success RBI and Success SBI. We are available on WhatsApp and Twitter as well. There is an Android app named Infinity, which you can download on your mobile phone and get easier access on your mobile phones. Thank you for watching the video.